Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare two ETFs, VYM and VIG. In this video I'm going to compare expense ratio, holdings, then fund overlap. Also I'm going to look on performance of stocks and how well it was performing years back, and also I'm going to look on the performance of dividend yield history, and that graph, I love that graph the most. So I'm really excited to show it to you. Also, if you know any other ETFs that you want me to compare, share it down below in the comments and I'll be really happy to make videos on it. And also, if you want to learn how you can make money with ETFs, I created a course. You will find the link down below in the description. So without further ado, let's start. Here we are in VYM and VYG, both issued by Vanguard. Expense ratio both same, 0.06. So let's say that you would invest $10,000, you would pay a fee of $6. Then assets under management 40 billion comparing to 66 billion. That isn't that much of a difference, but VIG got higher assets under management, also higher average daily volume. Now then underlying index SP US dividend growers index comparing to high dividend yield index, 411 holdings comparing to 247. Soon we are going to look on a fund overlap. So VYM, when we look on the holdings, it's more diversified, but it really depends on what kind of weight you will get in VYM. Now, when we go further, performance, I'm going to look at it soon. Of 10 years back, VIG, on just based on the performance, was performing better. 5 years also, 3 years also, but 1 year back, VYM was performing better. And also VIG 6% and 411 last month and 3 months back was performing better. Now, when we look on what kind of stocks they have, we can see VYM financials, consumer, non-cyclicals, healthcare, technology. Here we see technology, industrials, healthcare. Now both financials in VYM strong suit. Here it's technology based on 20%. Industrials here 70.54. Here industrials is 9.08. Now when we go further on holdings and what kind of holdings they have, you can see companies like Walmart, Visa, Microsoft Corporation, VIG, JP Morgan Chase, Johnson Johnson, Procter Gamble Company, get also similar. So let's see how it's going to overlap. Now when I'm going to overlap and I'm going to write VYM, VIG, what we can find? We can find that they are overlapping by 50% by weight. 30% of VYM for 413 holdings we would find in VIG, and 46% of VIG, 270 holdings we can find also in VYM. And you can see on the 50% they are overlapping. Now we can clearly see that JP Morgan Chase, Johnson Johnson, Home Depot, Procter & Gamble, PepsiCo, Coca-Cola, Walmart stores, McDonald's Corporation, they are overlapping in many fields here. Now, but let's see on performance and let's check the dividend yield. So when we come here and I have VYM here, we see that dividend is pretty good. But let's see how it's going to be VIG here. And here we can find that the dividend yield was worse comparing to VYM. But let's see something here. Now when I'm going for backtest, and let's say that we would start both on a 10 years mark, so 2010, let's say, and initial amount $10,000, okay. Contribute fixed amount $200, contribution frequency monthly, and display income. Now when I click here display income, we will see how the dividends will be. Now VYM 100%, VIG 100%. Now analyze portfolios, and here we go. So we can see that VIG overperformed by $12,000 VYM, and you can see the red line. And when we look here, we can clearly see the returns, annual returns based on the performance. that yes, 2021 was better for VYM. But look at this. This is the all dividends and distribution were invested, but you can clearly see that you would earn more money from when we look on the past, when we look just on the dividends from VYM right here. See? 2,000, 1,700, 2,400, 2,000, 2,600. And in this regard, it was overperforming. So this is pretty much it. And this is the VYM versus VIG. If you can have any questions, guys, about this, let me down below in the comments. I'm really happy to help and provide you some guidance and support. And yeah, thank you very much, guys, for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya. And to summarize it, okay, expense ratio, same. Overlapping by 50%. They're both good choices. It's like up to you which journey you would go, VIM or VIG. VYM got really good dividend comparing to VIG performance when we compare the dividends here. On the other hand, when we look on annual returns and how well it was performing, VYG was overperforming, and it's, I believe, because of technology, and it's on the highest right now peak with Microsoft Corporation, etc. Technology 20% only comparing to 10%. Industrial 17 comparing to 9. It really depends what kind of things you want, right? And if you want to learn how you can make more money, definitely check a leveraged ETF TQQQ. That's triple leveraged. That's like, those numbers are crazy. And yeah. So let me down below in comments, what do you think about both VIM and VIG, and which one you're going to choose? I don't really have decided which one I would go, because I don't invest into VYM or VIG. That's not my cup of tea. And my focus is not on dividends, personally. But yeah, that's me. I hope you enjoyed this. It gave you some kind of value and some more information on which one was performing better and which one was performing less. If you have any questions, ask me down in comments. Definitely check the course down below in the description on how we can make money with ETFs. I'm really happy to, if you enjoyed it. And yeah, write me also like those ETFs that you would like me to compare, and I'll be really happy to do that. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much, guys, for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.